the state has not heard from Vijay up until now, but now on social media, there's a message that has come in from Vijay. In fact, a message amid the power tussle that has come in from Vijay. It's a cryptic message and it is for the students, but there is a clear political undertone as well. In this social media message, he says that we are very close to victory. We're right on the verge of victory and victory is near. That is what Vijay has said. Let me take this across to my colleague Dharani joining us on the broadcast. And Dharani, almost there but not there yet. That seems to be the situation of Vijay. Before I come to you, let me take this across to Sagarika for a look at what Vijay has actually said on social media, Sagarika.
All eyes definitely, Pratibha, are on Vijay. But this message is for young students. Let's also remember that today Vijay has gotten this mandate in the state of Tamil Nadu because there was one bloc that voted extremely decisively for the TVK, and that is the young voters, the youth voters. So right now, while there is a lot of twists and turns that's taking place in the political landscape, this message is being interpreted in many levels. So this is a message for students. So Vijay says, and I'm reading a translated version of his post: to my dear little brothers who tasted the fruit of success through unwavering perseverance in the 12th standard public exam, heartfelt congratulations to you and your sisters. This victory. Now this is the part that becomes very, very interesting. So this is a message for students. Vijay says this victory is the recognition earned by your hard work. Step forward with confidence towards the next phase of higher education. At the same time, those who couldn't achieve success this time should not lose heart. Remember that we are right on the verge of victory. May the future shine brightly. So we are right on the verge of victory. A message for students, Pratibha, but yes, given the scenario that's playing out, given the, back and forth that's going out, many are interpreting this as a message that is also being sent to the cadre that victory. We are on the verge of victory. Yes, mandate has been great, but when it comes to government formation, when it comes to, taking over formally as the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, the road ahead does have quite a few challenges. But a message from Vijay where he says, we are on the verge of victory, that is being interpreted in many ways. It's over to you, Pratibha.
Okay, all right. Is it a political message to the cadre? We know several supporters who have been outside the Lok Bhavan, outside the TVK headquarters, and even outside his residence, waiting for him and even saying that he should take over as the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. Is that a message for the supporters? Dharani, with the talks going on between the CPI, CPM and the VCK on whether they will be extending support to the TVK or not, is there any truth to this message by Vijay that victory is near? Dharani, if you can hear me, what's the update from these political parties? Because a lot hinges on whether they will be extending support or not. All of these meetings are scheduled for today. When are these meetings? What is expected in these meetings? And do we have details of what they're actually demanding from the TVK?
Well, right now we are standing from the CPM office here in Chennai. This is in T Nagar area, and CPM State Secretary Shanmugam is inside now. He's holding an internal meeting. A similar meeting is take place at the party headquarters of the CPI as well. CPI State Secretary Veerapandiyan is also holding a high-level meeting with his party's functionaries. And at the end of both these meetings, we can expect these leaders to make their decision official, whether they want to extend support to TVK or not. But closest source to the development tell Times Now that the left parties, they are more likely to extend support to Vijay Thamizhaka Vetri Kalagam. And as far as the VCK is concerned, we just heard Mr. Thirumavalavan say a few minutes back that VCK will hold an online meeting this evening. An online meeting of the VCK functionaries will happen around 5 p.m. and post that meeting, Thirumavalavan is all set to hold a press conference tomorrow morning to announce his decision. So these three parties are the key parties at the moment. They hold the card in their hands, and whatever they decide, that will decide the future of Tamil Nadu for the next few years. And the TVK is definitely reaching out to all three of them equally. They've met them in person. They've also sent communications via letters and texts. So they're just awaiting results now.
Okay.